say the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me. 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 Tell me why they. Find me in the middle of the map, right in the center. I'm a saint right now, but we all born sinners.
I got a story time for you all. I'm gonna turn my music down. So one time, man, I was out in my 03 Ram 1500. It's a 4-door, 5-speed. It's an old Dodge Ram 1500. Champagne color. Yeah, we can't really ride wheelies like we used to. Not like we used to. One time when I was probably about 17 years old, man, I went and picked up this girl from her house. And I'll be damned if I didn't get pulled over on the way back. But here's what happened, alright? So I'm on this road, and it's a one-lane going each way road. It had just been built. And this dude's doing 30 mile an hour in a 45. So I go to pass him, right? Like a normal person would. You go to pass that mug. Right drunk, you don't care, you want to get around him. Well, I went to go around him, and he speeds up. Who speeds up when somebody's trying to pass you when you was doing 30, bro? Let me go around you, you know what I mean? He was trying to keep me from passing him, and I wasn't having it. It just wasn't happening like that. So I downshifted and gave her the beans, boys. I gave her the beans. Give her the beans. Give her the beans. You know what I'm saying? You gotta give her the beans. So that's what I did. Well, I finally get around him. About the time I get back over in front of him, I'll be damned if I don't see it was nighttime, alright? It was nighttime when I went and picked her up. I'll be damned if I didn't see, like, out in the distance, like, reflecting off my headlights, sheriff. Said sheriff. And I look down, I'm doing 87 mile an hour. And I was like, oh, damn. Well, I slow down, roll on by, and then he pulls out, right? Well, he pulls out and he gets behind the car that I passed. And like, follows them for a minute. And I'm next to the county line. Keep this in mind. I probably could have ran if I wanted to. No, I don't condone running, but that was one of the chances. I probably could have got away so quick it would have been nothing. It was literally like a half mile right there. Well, anyway, he stayed back there behind him, and I was probably about a half mile to a mile up ahead of him, but I could see him in my rearview mirror. And then he came around him, turned on his lights, and came after me and pulled me over. Probably about a quarter mile from being over there in that other county. And I'll tell you what, man, he gave me a ticket for 87 and a 45. Give me a ticket for 87 and a 45, man. But anyway, yeah. So he gave me a ticket for 87 and a 45. He said, you know, I can take you to jail right now, right? Because if it's 25 over, I don't know if it's like that in your all states or not, but in Kentucky, if it's 25 over or more, they can take you to jail if they want to. And that kind of sucks, you know what I mean? Like, how they gonna take you to jail just because you well, I mean, I get it. I mean, you are doing 25 plus over, so I mean, it's understandable. You know what I mean? You can understand why they'd not be happy about that. Well, he gave me the ticket, and I had just went and picked up that girl. Had never even hung out with her, man. And I took her up here to this little park where we used to always go and hang out and, you know, do shit as a teenager. And I'll be damned, man, if I didn't go up there, take her up there. And I don't know if she felt bad for me getting a ticket or what for coming to get her. But, you know, your boy, he did a little that night. Got me some that night, boys. That made that night a little bit better, I reckon. Still didn't help that fee I had to pay him $250, but it's a good story. That just me and some chick. Turned out to be a story of me and some chick. Yes, sir. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. I'm hyped to be back out, bro. I'm so hyped to be back out. Oh, man. Why is gas so daggone high? That's ridiculous. Coming through mobbing, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's a lot of us. I ain't even gonna count them. There's too many, bro. I ain't looking at my mirror to count them. That's dangerous. Dangerous. You don't want to be doing all that. What's your all's dream car, man? I feel like mine's definitely a Viper ACR. Definitely. All out here acting a fool. Sitting up on the tank and shit. I ain't never done that, man. Mostly because I've always been afraid of my go boys getting hung up right there. Damn, that's a big ass. Oh man, that FZ sounds good, bro. Real good. You want to go? Looking at dude, those yellow wheels look clean. He needs to give them to me to put on this, and I'll give him these. That's a fair deal, ain't it? You can feel that mug in your chest. Hey, you can feel that in your chest. What? You can feel it in your chest.
I know, bro. My ears are like tickling right now.
I believe it. I believe it. What have you been riding more, that or the R1?
I haven't even rode the R1 since I got this.
For real? That's fair enough. I can't blame you.
It's so smooth.
You gotta play with it. I want one.
Huh?
I want one. That's hell no. Hell no. This the baby. This the baby.
Whoa!
Sheesh!
Ow!
That didn't sound good. Gearbox, leave in the chat. Leave in the chat. Your gearbox has left the chat. Do I repeat? Your gearbox has left the chat. Oh, baby. insane. This sounds good. He definitely heard that too. I know he did. I know he heard it. Ain't no way he didn't. Damn! 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 Pretty good little pull. Dude, that thing pulls hard down low, I bet. I bet down low he'd keep up for sure. If not, outrun me. Maybe even outrun me down low. I wouldn't doubt it. It depends on if I could get a good launch. I couldn't right now with the clutch being like this if we was to do it from a dig. Dig race would not go well right now for me. And honestly, it'd probably be in his favor anyway. Sheesh. That little bump, bump. Oh, the thing just go bump, bump.
They're rubber. They're supposed to do that.
Dude, I bet that's weird, ain't it? Feeling your fucking handlebars move? Damn! I didn't know that. Those are rubber. Evidently, they got a little rubber grommet right there holding it, or something. That's what he was saying. That's crazy. Damn, bro, there's no way to avoid these little black snakes on this mode. Right here. They're just there. There ain't nothing you can do about them. Ah, don't tell me it merges into one lane. Don't tell me we gotta be stuck behind the semi. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, we don't. Bet.
Oh, yeah.
There's so many bugs on my visor right now.
And that's going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, leave a comment, share it if you want to. I want to get to know you all better. Let's start in the comments, man. Hit me up. This video will be continued tomorrow.
Sheesh.